Picture this. It's 2025, and Trump is back in the White House. Could marriage equality be the next target? The rights that millions have fought for might hang in the balance.
In this video, we're going to look at some of the potential questions that may arise in this election, and how a second Trump presidency could throw LGBTQ+ marriages into jeopardy. Hi, I'm Emily.
And I'm Ryan. We work at Momento Law, where we help queer families and their allies stay out of court and out of conflict by creating custom plans that work when you need it. With this upcoming election, there's a lot at stake. One of them being equal rights and how this will affect millions of Americans.
If marriage equality is overturned, what happens next? For example, what happens to couples who are already married?
What happens to access to getting a divorce if they don't recognize the marriage?
What happens to jointly owned property that is supposed to transfer to the spouse upon death?
What happens to children in same-sex marriages?
What happens to retirement benefits?
What happens to Medicaid applications when reporting spouse's income?
What happens to inheritance rights?
What happens to tax returns?
It's impossible to predict what will happen because of the nature of how these questions must be resolved. Typically, these issues would take years of working their way through the courts before we have concrete answers.
But what we can and will do is stay on top of these issues and create a plan for each of our clients that provide for these gray areas. This is one of the reasons why we review our clients' plans at minimum every 3 years. Because things like political administrations change, tax laws change, and families change.
Our goal is to honor your legacy, and the way we accomplish that may change over time.
I'm Ryan.
And I'm Emily.
And we look forward to helping you here at Momento Law.